Alright guys, today we're going to be making a variable voltage outlet. Pretty simple project. You'll need a cord, a variable voltage switch, or in other words a dimming switch, an outlet box, an outlet cover, and for tools I just used a razor and a multi-function screwdriver, multiple tips on it. It's a straightforward project, pretty simple. So here you see me just prepping all the parts needed for this project. Cover. This way you'll have all your parts laid out and ready to go. Here I pop one of the access holes that you can pop off. And then right here I'm gonna grab my box cutter and just shave a little of the ends because it left a little burr. So just clean it up a little so I don't pinch my cord or cable through the. We'll feed it through that hole that I just created. And then the dimming switch itself only comes with 3 wires, 2 black and a green. So what I did here is I grabbed the green from the cable and the green from the switch, twist them together, and that was going to be my earth on the outlet itself. So it just goes straight to the earth on it. In other words, it's going to be the green screw on those outlets. And then after this, the one of the black cables coming from the dimming switch, I put straight to the one of the black wires coming from the extension cord, and I'm gonna put those 2 blacks together, cap them, or try to make it safe. So yeah, here I'm capping them. Then from there I grab the other black lead that comes out of the dimming switch, and I put it on the hot side of the outlet itself. It's pretty simple, straightforward. But yeah, no, this will be handy for like what I intend to use it for is like a soldering iron, because I don't have a temperature control one. And again, man, I try to do things on a budget guy. Maybe down the road, but yeah, and it's handy if you just have you know, just something that you wanna have a dimmer, or cut certain power to it. You don't want all full voltage coming from the wall. Yeah, and then here after I plug in the last cable onto the outlet, I like to wrap it in tape. Uh, yeah, I didn't want to create any type of short or anything, so I like to protect any of the bare metal on those outlets, or even on the wires. So after this, I go over to the wire and I tape it. I like to be safe instead of sorry down the line. But yeah, and then here I go ahead and get a piece of tape and wrap it around the little connection of the black to black cable right there. And pretty much for wiring, man, that's it. It's simple, straightforward. Pretty much all you're gonna need comes with the parts. The only thing again I added was the electrical tape, and I always have electrical tape laying around. So then just mounted, and I chose the a double outlet box so I could put the switch and the outlet all at one. I don't have a 3D printer, so I couldn't print out a box, or I didn't have access to anything. And this right here you could just get at any hardware store, man. And the plastic ones are, affordable. The outlets are pretty affordable. The only thing that was a little bit more on the pricey side was the dimming switch and the cord, which I could probably cut it off of an appliance that I didn't have or I didn't use much. But I didn't have anything laying around for that. And yeah, no, I mean you'll have it all contained into a box and easy to move around when you need it. I mean, it could even be your used for your drills, and you zip tie the switch on a drill and then control your speed on it if you need to. Um, yeah, it's just something that'll be handy to have around the house. But again, my intention was for mainly a soldering iron. And here I'm going to show you if it's done right. You should be able to, change the voltage on it. So here I have a light for testing. Problem with this light is it turned out to be an LED bulb in there instead of a regular bulb on there. So it's hard to tell, but yeah, you can tell how it's dim, and then it gets higher. But yeah, see, you just get one of them cheap, affordable soldering irons, and you were to plug it in, you have temperature control on it. Hope this helps, and have a good one.